Stop risking your safety on shaky ladders just to get a clear view. If you have high windows or large glass doors, the Liectroux S11 smart window cleaning robot is about to change your life forever. Equipped with an industry-leading 9,000 pascals ultra-strong suction, this robot locks onto your glass with total security. You never have to worry about it falling. It's designed for high-rise apartments, hard-to-reach exterior windows, and even frameless glass shower screens. What makes the S11 special is its advanced 4-way water spray system. It automatically mists the surface as it moves, mimicking professional scrubbing to dissolve stubborn dirt, dust, and bird droppings. With smart memory navigation, it plans the most efficient cleaning path and returns exactly to its starting point when the job is done. It's not just for windows, use it on large mirrors, smooth tiles, or glass partitions. It leaves a streak-free, crystal-clear shine every single time without you lifting a finger. It's the ultimate combination of high-tech safety and professional-grade efficiency. Upgrade to the future of home cleaning today. Click the link in our bio to shop now and follow Smart Living for more game-changing home gadgets.